And the sweetest part is that you don't even need to deposit any money to withdraw from this website. So if you scroll down below, you can see where they wrote I am human. So if you click that I am human, so if you do this thing that I want to do right now, they will give you 0.0003 BTC. Okay, so you just see it by yourself. Just be checking my screen. All right, Louis is back again. Are you on this channel? I share possible ways to make money online. If you check my screen right now, I don't know if you can see it clearly. This is BTC. It is 100% free. Remember, one BTC is almost 95 million, okay, in my Nigeria currency. You're not paying any money at all, okay. Remember, in this channel I share possible ways to make money online, and if you have been on this channel for a very long time, I've created a lot of videos on how to make money online. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you the 3 legit apps that will help you to start mining free BTC. And not only BTC, you also mine Litecoin, Ethereum, and other ones. I'll show you how to sign up, and you will benefit from all these things. People on my Telegram channel have benefited because I've shared it to all of them, and that's one of the reasons I said always join my Telegram channel. The link is below. Okay, let me share my screen so that you will see how to sign up on this free mining BTC website. But before I do that, please subscribe so that you will never miss any of these videos again. Okay, let me share my screen so that you will see how to mine all these things and how to sign up for free. Alright, so here is the first website to mine free BTC. Remember, these things are for free, and if you check this website, you're going to mine Bitcoin. You're going to also mine Litecoin. You're going to also mine Dogecoin. You're going to also mine Ethereum. Even Bitcoin Cash is here as well. Even Tron. This website is so amazing, and millions of people are cashing out from this thing, but not everybody will share. Not everybody will share these things for free. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is that you're going to add your username. Okay, so let me add my username, Louis Chuku. So make sure you add number. You can write something like your name plus 1, something like that. So I'm going to add Louis Chuku 1. Then you also add your full name as well. Then you also add your email. Then you type your password. Then retype your password again. Then you answer one secret code. Okay, that's a secret question. You can say something like what you can ask yourself your question, something like, what is the name of my childhood friend? Okay, then you answer it by yourself. Okay, it's so simple. Then after that, you now enter all your wallet address. Okay, you can see if you go to, you can choose any of these broker you want. If you want, you can choose Trust Wallet. All you have to do is go to Trust Wallet, then you copy your BTC, that's Bitcoin wallet address. Then you do that as well. Then you also go to your Litecoin and copy your Litecoin wallet address. Then not only that, you go to your BTC Cash, that's BTC, that's BTC Cash. You know, Bitcoin is different from BTC Cash. Okay, so you also go there and copy the wallet address. So after you have pasted all your wallet address, all you need to do is just enter this number. You can see the number below. So that's just to recapture. Then you enter the number. Then after that, you click I have read and accept these terms and condition. After that, you now click create your account. Okay, so it is so amazing. This platform is so amazing. Okay, this is for free. Let nobody deceive you that hey, you are paying for this. No, this is 100% free. So after you have entered your details and they accept you, they will log you out. If they log you out, don't fear. All you need to do is enter your password and your email. Okay, you're going to receive an email, then you confirm it that you're a human being. Then after that, you also enter this code, that's your captcha. Then if you enter it, then you now click login. It is so simple. Okay, so now you can see your full dashboard, and you can see you are mining BTC, you are mining Litecoin, you're also mining Ethereum, you're also mining Doge, USDT BIP20, you are also mining your USDT TRC20, and so many of them. You can see all mining together. This platform is so amazing. Okay, if you want to withdraw, it's so amazing. You can just place withdrawal and withdraw anytime you like. And remember, like I said earlier, it is 100% free. Okay, and you don't need to deposit any money to withdraw from this websites. So this is the first website where you can mine free BTC. Okay, you can see the link in the video description. All these things that I'm sharing to you, the link is in video description. Okay, so just check the video description and access the link. The second website where you're going to mine free BTC is this particular one. You can also see the link in the video description as well. So if you check this website now, you can see my number is counting and I have 0.000716 BTC here already. Okay, so you can go through the website and you can see this is an amazing website. It is worldwide, okay, and it is 100% free. And the sweetest part is that you don't even need to deposit any money to withdraw from this website. So if you scroll down below, you can see where they wrote I am human. So if you click that I am human, so if you do this thing that I want to do right now, they will give you 0.0003 BTC. Okay, so you just see it by yourself. Just be checking my screen. If I click roll, then you can see it's rolling. So you can see now they have received extra 0.003 BTC. Okay, so for you to withdraw your money, or you want to add your wallet, or your BTC wallet on this particular BTC mining app, all you need to do is click this three line by your right hand side, then you click profile. Then when it opens, you scroll down below, you can see change withdrawal address. All you need to do is just click it, then you paste your BTC wallet address there. Okay, you can go to any broker, either Trust Wallet, Tonkeeper, Tonhub, then copy your BTC wallet address, then paste it there. You can also change your email address if you want. Okay, so this is how you can add your BTC wallet address on this app. But if you want to withdraw your money, see how you're going to withdraw your money. Like I said earlier, you don't need to deposit anything at all before you can withdraw your money. So if you want to withdraw your money, there is what we call auto withdrawal, there is what we call slow withdrawal, there is what we call instant withdrawal. And auto is just that you have to withdraw it immediately and you will receive your money, your BTC, just in 45 minutes. But when it comes to slow, it takes 6 to 24 hours to receive your BTC. But when it comes to instant, it takes 15 minutes, okay, for you to receive your money. It is so simple, but the minimum is 0.003,000 BTC. So all he needs to do is every day is mining on his own. Okay, he is mining on his own, but sometimes just scroll down below and click I am human for you to get extra 0.0003 BTC. Okay, this is the second website that you can mine free BTC. So let's move to the third website that you can mine free BTC for yourself. So here is the third website we are going to mine free BTC for yourself. Okay, you can see there everything is so simple and it is for free. It is for free, totally 100% free. So all you need to do is this one, it does, you don't even need to mine at all. You can just leave it and it will be counting on its own. But if you want to deposit or you want to withdraw, then still click this three line by your right hand side, then you can see it there. Okay, you can see deposit below, you can also see withdrawal below. So these are the three legit websites that you can mine free BTC for yourself and withdraw anytime you like. Okay, so I believe you grab something from this, but if you want to learn how to be watching videos and you just earn online, watch ads, watch real videos and earn real money, you can check this video. So check this video out to see how to do that. Okay, and don't forget to click subscribe as well, because on this channel I share possible ways to make money online. So join the Telegram channel to always get free updates on this. And not only that, check these three websites that you can mine free BTC for yourself in video description. Okay, so see you inside. Click subscribe for more videos like this.